What's up out there, all you fellow YouTubers? J Speed just checking in, say, been snowblower cable broke, drive cable. So I'm taking a couple swedges, making sure not to have it interfere with this pulley. Swedge this end right here to the drive handle. Swedge that end right there to the spring where it hooks on under here. Luckily, from all the salt, the drive plate's pretty much rusted off. Then we'll put a little belt conditioner on that rubber wheel, and then hopefully this is going to take care of it. So here, make sure this is bowstring tight. Take this clevis, put it on here, make sure that handle's all the way up. Everything takes longer in the cold. My 05 GMC Sierra door won't even unlock with the remote or the key, and they only put one keyhole in cars nowadays. So as you can see, I'm going to do a loop just like I did down here. Thanks for looking, J Speed. Peace out.